Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin to Binance. So all you need to do is log into your KuCoin account as well as your Binance account, and then go and press on your profile and then assets overview. Now you will see fundings. You choose the crypto coin that you want to transfer, or you want to transfer. So for example, let's choose Bitcoin. Now all you need to do is press on withdraw, and then you will be prompted to input the how much Bitcoin you want to transfer, and the network that you will be using. For the network and the address, you need to take them from Binance. You go and press on deposit. You press on deposit crypto here. Now you need to select the coin, which will be Bitcoin, and then you need to select the network and the deposit address. It will be shown here. All you need to do then is to copy the deposit address and the network from here. You select the same network in KuCoin and copy the deposit address and send and paste it in KuCoin, and then just simply press on withdraw button and verify that withdraw, and that's it. And then you will see your crypto in Binance here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.